You can make money on YouTube if you know this secret. This video is for individuals who are out there that you've been making videos, you get hope some many videos, many views, but at the end you find yourself it is hard to get income. I mean AdSense earning. So one time I was walking through one of the channels and I got one video which is very great. It is talking about pink lips, and indeed it works. It was rated, it was aired out in a way that really it is encouraging. I went ahead and used the things they use to put pink lips. It was talking about home remedies. These home remedies you can use at home and you get pink lips without going to spend a lot of money. Like for example, they talked about lemon, they talked about coffee, they talked about Colgate, about Vaseline, and I came back and applied. When I applied it, it worked. How many views was it having? It was having more than around 70,000 views. And you know, with these views, most people are looking for things that can be done at the comfort of home and which you cannot spend. What is the gist of the video? Learn how to make your video in a way that even with a little amount of money, even with your niche or a little amount of views, you can earn money. What do you think if this lady had made her video in this way? Learn how to use maybe $10 in a month to change your lips from black to pink. Use these ingredients which cost less amount of money to make your lips become pink. And in a transcript, you find her saying, you guys, you can use lemon from home, which costs less than $1, coffee, which costs less than $0.2 because it is already at home, and Colgate, which costs nothing because already you're supposed to use Colgate to brush your teeth. Already she is catching into the niche, she's catching into the key searchable words that can give advertisers a hint that there's something you can pay for, hide here. Than you making your video and say, please let me teach you how to do this, my lips, just making it plain like that, being a vlog. So this video is for vloggers, and this video is for lifestylers, people who are doing things without considering how much LPM advertisers pay or CPM advertisers pay. That is the first way you can make your videos in a way that it can pay you lots of money. Then the second video is about this kind of people that you always like vlogs. Meet me at my weekend breakfast at home, which is very which is cozy. Instead of that, I felt I'm like, okay, I'm going to show you. If I was the one, I'm doing a vlog from home, I would do it like this. I would tell you, please, I use $2 to make breakfast during weekend for 2 people. My family of 2 people uses breakfast of $2. Like the way you can see on the screen, I display it. Then I describe. For example, this is mandazi, commonly known as mandazi in East Africa. I bought it or I made it at less cost, and you display it. Then secondly, my breakfast, I cannot fail to have English breakfast. English breakfast, I put some tea, milk, you put tea leaves and sugar, like the way you can see in the screen. Without forgetting that we don't fail to have a cup or a glass of juice. We make our own juice from home. That is hibiscus juice, of which hibiscus juice costs less than $12 for the whole week. So if you divide $12 in the whole week, you find it is minimum like 0.0 something dollars. Also, we put a glass of passion fruits, and these passion fruits, a kilo was bought at 7 dirham. which is less than how many dollars? And on a such Sunday like this, or on a such day like this, a breakfast, we only squeeze two pieces of what? Of passion fruits. So what am I deriving to? What am I trying to teach you? Most people have run away from content creation because it is not giving them money on YouTube. You'll find someone having a lot of views but without amount of money. Now, if you're beginning today, you're beginning tomorrow, or you've been doing it, you can do it like this. Instead of bringing it, go dine with me, or make my pink lips with me. You can look for ways and involve costs. My lips can turn pink with less than $2. My breakfast of 2 can be this with less than $5. So you find yourself, you're strategic. Like if you go back and check our previous video on the high paying niches, you can borrow a leaf from those niches. Then you see how to structure your transcript, how to structure your thumbnail, and how to structure your key searchable words without forgetting your description matters. So in your description, you find you're putting enough of what you're supposed to put. So thank you very much. But meanwhile, continue watching how I made my breakfast on a Sunday morning with less than $2, a breakfast of 2. You'll see. Then you'll continue also seeing how I make my lips turn pink with just home remedies without paying any dime. I use Colgate, I use coffee, I use you can go use any toothpaste. Then if you want to know the details of how to use the method, go to Vibe with the Mac channel. You'll find everything there. But for YouTube, for Immaculate Show here, I'm showing you how you can make money out of it. Even if you go the other side on Vibe with Mac, you'll see that why I brought the video. I'm teaching you, and at the same, it's a vlog, but at the same time, I'm bringing in the cost of how much I spend to do this, and this is part of the niches that really pays high as far as CPM and RPM is concerned, because it is sort of budget. We are cutting budget. We can do this like this. So it's not a must. Everybody is a teacher, by the way. Everybody is can handle tutorial, and you're already doing it by the way. You are already doing it by the way you're doing it. You just need to twist a bit and bring in the cost and that. Like I used to tell my friend Betty B, you can go and follow her. She always does very beautiful videos, vlogs, but you find she's not involving in that language. Of course, I moved from Abu Dhabi to a museum in Dubai, the first class museum. How much did it cost? Oh, this is what you need to be doing. So guys, if you're a new person on YouTube, you want to start, this is the right time that you strategically see how am I going to beat it. If you also you've been there, but you've been doing these videos, day-to-day videos, without considering the key searchable words, the high competitive words, please, this is the right time for you. Thank you very much. Thank you. See you in another video. Bye-bye.